Tyler! Lily! I'm home!
Mom! Mom! You're back!
Hi, sweetie. Where is Tyler?
He's in his room. He looks sad.
Sad? Why?
I don't know. He won't talk to me.
Tyler? Can I come in?
Yeah, whatever.
Honey, are you okay?
I'm fine, Mom.
You don't look fine. Tell me.
We have to give a speech at school.
A speech? That sounds fun.
No, Mom. It's not fun. It's scary.
What is the speech about?
We pick any topic. Then we talk for 2 minutes in front of everyone.
When is it?
Friday. This Friday.
Okay, that's 4 days. We can practice.
Mom, you don't get it. I can't do it.
Why not?
Because I get too scared. My voice stops.
Tyler, listen to me. Everyone gets scared sometimes.
Even you?
Even me. At the hospital, I talk to new patients every day.
That's different.
No, it's the same. I was scared at first, too.
Hey everyone, dinner is almost ready.
Daddy, Tyler is sad.
Sad? What happened?
Tyler has a speech at school on Friday.
A speech? That's great, buddy.
Dad, please, it's not great.
I remember my first speech. I was about your age.
Really?
Yeah, I was so scared. My hands were shaking.
What did you do?
Well, I forgot everything. I just stood there.
See? That's what will happen to me.
But then I took a deep breath and I started again.
What was your speech about?
My dog. His name was Rusty.
You had a dog too? Like Biscuit?
Yes, Rusty was a big brown dog. Very friendly.
So you just talked about your dog?
Yes, I talked about Rusty, what he liked to eat, how he played. Simple things.
And people liked it?
They loved it because I loved Rusty and they could feel it.
That's the secret, Tyler. Talk about something you love.
Tyler, talk about basketball.
Basketball?
Yeah, you love basketball.
Maybe.
That's a great idea, Lily.
You know so much about basketball, Tyler.
But what do I say? I don't know how to start.
Let's practice. Right now.
Now? No way!
Come on, buddy. We're your family. It's safe here.
It's embarrassing.
I won't laugh, I promise.
Just stand up. Take a deep breath.
Okay.
Good. Now tell us, why do you like basketball?
I like basketball because,
Because it's fun?
Yeah, because it's fun, and I feel good when I play. I started playing when I was 7. My dad took me to the park.
That's right. I remember that day.
he showed me how to shoot. I missed every time.
But you didn't give up.
No, I kept trying every day after school. Now I can make free throws most of the time.
Most of the time? You made 10 in a row last week.
Dad. Okay, yeah.
I'm getting better.
Tyler is the best.
Thanks, Lily. But I'm not done. What else do I say?
Tell us about your favorite player.
Oh, that's easy. It's Curry.
Why Curry?
Because he's not the biggest guy, but he works so hard, and he never gives up.
That sounds like someone I know.
Mom? Okay, so basketball is important to me. It teaches me things.
Like what?
Like, you have to practice every day, even when it's hard.
That's a wonderful message, Tyler.
And you have to trust your team. You can't do everything alone.
Like a family.
Yeah, like a family.
Tyler, you just gave a speech.
What?
Right now. You talked for a long time, and it was really good.
I did? I didn't even notice.
Because you were talking about something you love.
Huh. That wasn't so bad.
Do it again. Do it again.
No way, Lily. Once is enough.
Well, you need to practice more before Friday.
Yeah, I know. But maybe it's okay.
What are you doing, Tyler?
I'm writing my speech. Some notes.
That's great, honey.
Mom, can we practice again tomorrow?
Of course. Every night until Friday.
Thanks, Mom.
Good morning, chap.
Dad, don't call me that.
Okay. Good morning, speech star.
That's worse.
Good morning, big brother.
Hey, Lily. That one's okay.
Tyler, are you going to practice at lunch today?
Maybe, in my head.
That's smart. I do that too, before big meetings.
You get nervous at meetings?
Sometimes, yes, but I breathe and I think about what I know.
Okay, I'll try that.
Tyler, I made you something.
What is it?
It's a lucky card. I drew it for you. See? It's you, playing basketball.
Wow, that's really good, Lily.
Put it in your pocket for Friday.
Okay, I will. Thanks.
Tyler, it's time. Are you ready?
I think so. I'm still scared.
That's normal. Brave people are scared too. They just do it anyway.
Okay.
Don't forget the lucky card.
It's in my pocket, right here.
You're going to be great.
What if I forget everything?
Then take a breath and start again, just like Dad did.
Right. Just breathe.
And remember, talk about what you love.
Basketball. Yeah, I got this.
He's home. Tyler's home.
Tyler, how was it?
I did it.
You did it.
Yeah, I really did it.
Tell us everything.
So I walked to the front. My legs were shaking.
Oh no.
I looked at everyone, and my mind went blank.
What did you do?
I took a deep breath, like Dad said. Then I said, I want to tell you about basketball.
Good start.
And I talked about how I started and how I practice every day.
Did you talk about Curry?
Yeah, I said Curry is not the tallest, but he works the hardest.
Did people like it?
They clapped. They really clapped.
Aw, Tyler, I'm so proud of you.
That's my boy.
Yay! Tyler is brave.
And my teacher said it was very good. She said I spoke clearly. And you know what? I held Lily's card the whole time.
My lucky card.
Yeah, when I was scared, I looked at it, and I felt better.
It worked. The magic worked.
It wasn't magic, Lily. Well, maybe a little.
Tyler, I want you to remember this feeling.
What feeling?
The feeling after you do something scary. It feels good, right?
Yeah, it feels really good.
That's called being brave, buddy.
Dad, thanks for telling me about Rusty.
Anytime, Tyler.
And Mom, thanks for making me practice.
You did all the hard work, honey.
And thank me for the lucky card.
Yes, Lily, thank you for the lucky card.
So, Tyler, next time you have a speech.
I'll still be scared, Dad.
I know. But now you know something important.
What?
You can do scary things. You already did.
Hey, Lily,
Yeah?
can you make me another card for next time?
Of course. I'll draw an even better one.
Thanks, Lily. You're a good sister.
I know!
Okay, everyone, time for dinner.
Who wants barbecue?
Me.
Me too, Dad. I'm really hungry. Being brave makes you hungry.
Ha ha, that's my boy.